a new pattern that is 36. That new pattern is right now what is our this one over, right? Okay, 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 like this, right? Then the new one is suppose 5 4 3 2 1, then 1 2 3 4 5. All of observe now, right? Now, so in the middle, these two numbers will decrease the next level, means 5 4 3 2, then 2 3 4 5 like this. Again, next these two middle numbers will decrease the. That means what remaining 5 4 3, then 3 4 5. Again, this is middle two numbers. That means 5 4 4 5. Then what is one here? Just 5 5. That's all. All of you. This is what a new pattern, guys. This is the a new pattern. A new pattern. Okay. The same pattern. I'll copy from here. Right. So guys, observe here also we'll take the I value 1, I value 2, I value 3, I value 4, I value 5. Right. So again, this is about the I1. This is what I2, and this is I3, and then this one is I4. At last is what here I, right? So and here again we divide, guys. Again we divide like this is the. I'll take this one as one pattern now. Sorry. Means all of you observe. Yes, this is the one pattern now. Means I will take this one as what here as a J loop. Okay, J loop by this one. All of you observe, and then we'll take this one as a K again. So K first time 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1 iterations. I am saying first 5 iterations, then 4 iterations, then 3 iterations, then 2 iterations, then 1 iteration. Okay, okay, that's fine. Let's write now. Let's write iterations. All of you observe. We'll take the iterations. When I value 1 at the time, what about the J and what about K, right? So when I value 1, then J, how many times iterating? 5 times iterating. So I'm not writing the output, I'm writing the number of iterations. Iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3, iteration 4, iteration 5. In the first iteration, what is displaying? 5 displaying here. In the second iteration, what is displaying? 4 displaying here. In third iteration, what is displaying? 3 displaying here. In the fourth iteration, what is displaying? 2. In the last iteration, what is displaying? 1. what displaying here? 1 is displaying like that. Then k, how many iterating again? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's also displaying 5 times, guys. It's also 5 times displaying all of you, right? Next, when I value 2, then k, how many times iterating? 4 times only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. First iteration, 5 display. Second iteration, which one? 4 display. Third iteration, 3 display. Fourth iteration, 2 display, like that. And k also, how many times? 4 times only. When k is the first iteration, 2 display. When second iteration, 3 display, right? Like that. I'm writing the iterations, not the output. Remember that point. When I value 3, then j iterating 3 times, k also 3 times. K also 3 times. When I value 4, then 2 times, it's also 2 times. When I value 5, 1 time, here also 1 time. That 1 time what displaying? 5 displaying. All of you, okay? So I'm writing here number of iterations. Okay? Right. So let us try now. Pattern 36, right? Okay, right. Same, first of all, take the input, enter n number of rows, enter n number of rows. Let's take the eval, and then we'll take the n. So I loop same range of 1 comma n plus 1, right? Then for j in range of, I want to iterate 5 times, but displaying what's first one? First 5 displaying, then 4 displaying, 3 displaying, 2 displaying, 1 displaying. That means, so I'll take the starting n, for example, n to 0, because so always start number what is there? 5, 5, 5, 5, right? 5 starting. Ending value changing now. First time ending value 1 came, next ending value 2 came, ending value 3 came, ending value 4 came, ending value 5 came. Then I will take here, suppose I means what? First 1, 1 minus 1 I'll take now. 1 minus 1, all of you. Why I am taking like that means, let us try now. And decreasing, right? Decreasing means what? Minus 1. Decrease means what? Minus 1, right? All of you. So decreasing means we take the minus 1 decreasing. Let me take that j value printing. And I tell you now this j values. First I will try it. Right. Let us try now. Let's try. But first time I value 1. First time I value 1. Then j value. So it is 1, right? 1 minus 1, 0. End value 0. 0 before 1. So 5 to 1 will come. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Decreasing, right? Because that's why you take the minus 1. First 5 come. 5 minus 1, 4 will come. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 1, like that. Okay. That means, so first, which one? 5. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 1, guys. All of you. When the first iteration, what displaying? 5 displaying. The second iteration, what displaying? 4 displaying. In third iteration, what displaying? 3 displaying. 2 displaying, 1 displaying, like this. Next, when I value 2, observe now. When I value 2, this is the 2 now. Imagine now 2. So n value what? 5. Then 2 minus 1, 1. 1 before 2. So 5 to 2 will come. Means 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. So here 5, first 5, 4, 3, 2 will come. Next one, third one. If you take the 3 minus 1, 2. 2 before what comes now? 3 will come. 2 before 3 will come. Why 3s are 2 before 1? The doubt you may have, right? Okay. I am coming from where? 5 onwards. I am coming from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means now 1 before what is there now? 2 is there. 2 before what is there? 3 is there. 3 before what is there? 4 is there. 4 before what is there? 5 is there. In all previous examples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So then 5 before what is there? 4. 4 before 3. 3 before 2. 2 before 1. When you go for forward way, plus 1 increment. But here minus 1, right? Minus 1 means decreasing minus 1, minus 1. That's why minus 1 taken. Now, what is the I value? 3. So keep 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 before. What is 2 before? 2 before what is there? 3 is there. So that means 5, 4, 3 will come, right? All of you. Did you understand now? 5, 4, 3. So displace 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. When I value 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 before again 4. So 5, 4 will come. So 5, 4 will come. When I value 5, then 5 minus 1, 4. Again 4 before 5. So means only one iteration. That means 5 will display. So 5 to 5, right? Starting well, how much is there? 5 is there. So then that 5 will display. One iteration only, guys. See, one iteration only. The iteration what displays 5 display. Okay, right. Let us see this one first of all. It comes or not. It comes or not like this. Allah observe here. It came. It came. Then, but second part K. K part is there. K part is there. Okay. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 5. Means ending value is fixed. Ending is fixed is there. Ending fixed is there. Starting keep on changing. Starting first one, second 2, next 3, next 4. And last one. So first last same only here, right? Then now all of you observe here. All of you observe now. Let's go for what here? For K in range of so starting is not fixed, right? No, starting also fixed, right? All of you observe. So start not fixed, right? First 1, then 2, 3, right? Okay, that means I take the start value 1. So I, because first time I1, next I2, next I3, next I4, next I5, right? So then end value, if you take the n plus 1, let us try now first. So I value how much now? All of you observe. Let me take pause. So when I value 1, so starting 1 and n plus 1, n means what? 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 before 5. So means 1 to 5 will come. 1 to 5 will come. 1 to 5, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So first 1 display, 2 display, 3 display, 4 display, 5 display. All of you. Alright, okay. Next, when I value 2, then starting 2 is there now. And 5 plus 1, 6, 6 before 5. So means 2 to 5 now, right? Means first 2 will come, then 3 will come, 4 comes, 5 comes like this. All of you. Next one here. When I value 3, starting 3, ending is fixed. N plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 before 5. So 3 to 5, means 3, 4, 5 only. So 3, 4, 5. Next one, tell me now. When I value 4, starting 4, and 5 plus 1, 6, 6 before 5. So 4, 5 will come, and last 5 will come. All of you observe. These are the iterations, these are the displaying values. See, the K last, how many iterations here? 1 iteration only. At that time, what displaying? 5 displaying. The K here, 2 iterations, and what displaying? 4, 5 displaying. And the K here, how many times first time returning? 5 times iterating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. And first time 1, second time 2, 3, 4, 5 displaying. Okay, these are the displaying values. These are the iteration numbers. Okay, all of you. Then I want display what? I want display k only like this. Then let me run this one. I will take the 5. You can see now all of you the same came as it is. Right. Let us try here. Let us try now. All of you observe. We try it here. When I value 1, j iterating how many times? 5 times. But first time 1 displaying, second time 2 displaying, third time 3, next 2, next 1. Okay, that means first 5 displaying, 5 space, 4 space, 3 space, 2 space, 1 space. Then, okay, how many times now? 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 display, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5 space, that's all. Now, so j iterations over, k iterations over. Then next what is there? Empty print means new line, means new I value. When I 2, then how many iterations? 4 iterations, all of you. When I 2, how many iterations here? 4 iterations j 4 iterations are there. But each time what display? First 5 display, 4 display, 3 display, 2 display. That means 5 space, 4 space, 3 space, 2 space. 2 space. Then k. How many times? 4 times. What displaying? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. That's all. Under 5 space. Okay. Next. Next empty print means new line. When I value 3, 5, 4, 3. So 5 space, 4 space, 3 space. And then 3, 4, 5. 3 space, 4 space, 5 space. Next empty print, new line. When I value 4, 5, 4, 4, 5. So 5 space, 4 space, 4 space, 5 space. When I value 5, so j 1 time 5 space, k 1 time 5 space, new line. That's all. This is the execution flow, guys. This is called what? Execution flow. Execution flow. All of you. This is what here. This is the execution execution flow, right? So all of you observe here. This is what now? This is the like analyzing the pattern, iterations, then program, then execution flow, guys. Execution flow. All of you, okay? Right. So this is what over, right? Now all of